In this Costco Quickie, I'm going to show you how to make an easy Asian style soup in under 10 minutes. Super healthy. I love Asian cuisine, but it doesn't always make me feel so great after I eat it. I feel that when I order Asian takeout, the ingredients are not always the greatest. Swinging by Costco, I picked up these frozen wontons, pretty decent ingredients, organic chicken base, organic spring mix, and these hearts of palm. The hardest part is waiting for the water to boil. Scale this up to any size you want, but let's just make 1 quart or about 1 liter, which would be a really big meal for 1 or a lighter meal for 2. Start by adding 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of chicken base. Slice up 3 or 2 hearts of palm, depending on the size. You can do it lengthwise, and about 2 cups or a big handful of organic spring mix. I like to keep it whole, but my bride likes it chopped. When it comes to a boil, the chicken base will dissolve. Give it a taste. I plan on adding coconut aminos to mine later, so I'm going to keep the saltiness to about half of what I'd like it to be. If you plan on adding soy sauce, do the same. Otherwise, keep diluting the chicken base until you like the taste. Add about 10 wontons and set a timer for 2 minutes. Add the hearts of palm and about 2 cups of organic spring mix. Set another timer for 1 minute. It's done. That's it. Add the coconut aminos or soy sauce until the umami and salt is where you want it to be. The sweetness of the coconut aminos and the tartness of the hearts of palm almost make this taste like a cross between wonton soup and hot and sour soup. Feel free to get creative by adding mushrooms or some chili peppers. Let's give it a try. I cannot believe how delicious this is, and it's so easy to make. Great ingredients. Winter's coming. Warm yourself up with a nice bowl of soup. Absolutely delicious, healthy, and fast. Let me know down below how yours turns out. Cheers.